Migrating to Australia as an engineer? This guide is your key to the CDR Skills Assessment. The Engineers Australia Skills Assessment is the gateway for migrating engineers, especially if your degree isn't Washington Accord accredited. The CDR pathway requires 3 career episodes, a summary statement, and a continuing professional development CPD list. Choosing the correct ANZISCO code is crucial for matching your engineering background to the right occupation category. English proficiency is mandatory. Accepted tests include IELTS, PTE, and TOEFL, meeting Engineers Australia's required scores. Double-check every requirement. Meeting the format and documentation guidelines avoids unnecessary delays or rejection. Plagiarism is a common reason for CDR rejection. Always use your own words and original work. Each career episode should describe your actual engineering experience. Be specific, factual, and focus on your personal role. Ask a mentor or supervisor to review your CDR draft. Clear, concise writing improves your chance of approval. Avoid vague or exaggerated claims. Use tangible evidence and specific project details to support your competency claims. Highlight problem-solving skills, technical knowledge, and ethical conduct within Australian engineering standards. Before submission, double-check files for clarity, structure, and originality. Upload through the official Engineers Australia portal only. A positive CDR assessment unlocks migration options, especially skilled work visas like the 189, 190, and 491 subclass. These visas provide permanent or provisional residency pathways for skilled engineers after a successful assessment. With thorough preparation, your engineering future in Australia starts with a successful CDR. Take your first step today.